Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce code duplication with Bitbucket, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Bitbucket repository. Navigate to the branches section in the sidebar. Identify the branches where code duplication is present. Consider consolidating duplicated code into a shared library. Create a new branch for your refactoring efforts. Clone the repository to your local machine, if not already done. Open your code editor and locate the duplicated code segments. Extract the duplicated code into a separate module or function. Update all references to the duplicated code to point to the new shared module. Commit the changes locally with a clear message about the refactor. Push the changes to the new branch in your Bitbucket repository. Next, create a pull request to merge the changes into the main branch. In the pull request, provide a detailed explanation of your changes. Request reviews from team members to ensure code quality. Address any feedback provided during the review process. Merge the pull request once it has been approved. Finally, communicate with your team about the new shared code structure. Monitor the project for any instances of new code duplication in the future. Implement regular code reviews to catch duplication early. Consider documenting best practices on code reuse in your repository's wiki. Maintain an open dialogue with your team about code quality and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.